You know, ground cover is great in a lot of areas of your yard because it grows very rapidly, but that spreading can be a problem when it spreads into areas you really don't want it to. Barbara, what's the solution?
Well, you've got a couple of solutions. The first thing to understand is that it's spreading because of its root system, and the roots will probably spread even before you ever see any top growth. So, if you move to some type of edging, and there are lots of different kinds on the market, we've collected a couple here. This is plastic, it's green, it's very inexpensive, and it's very unobtrusive, and it's not that difficult to put in place. You would just dig a trench through here and really jam this hard into the ground. It's got a little bit of flexibility, so you can shape it around some beds. But there are a couple other options. You could go to a slightly different color. There are other kinds of plastic edging, something like this. I like these because they're inexpensive, but they are not as durable as something like a brick paver or, you know, another kind of a stone product. Something like this, Danny, is going to stand up a little better, and you can either lie it in lengthways like that or dig, if you're feeling energetic, a slightly deeper trench and put them in like this.
Okay, now also, anytime you're digging a trench like this in and around any flower bed, you need to be careful not hitting any irrigation lines or any of the wires going to any of your landscape lights.